hot second, I mean it's currently 24 degrees, and that's hot for the UK. My name is Patrice / Paddy. If you're new to this channel, then welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, then even more welcome. You join me inside of my BMW X5 3-litre diesel manual. 2 years ago, I kind of stopped doing YouTube for various different reasons: breakups, loss of jobs, dislocation shoulders, all sorts, and just a bad batch of mental health as well. I think I'll probably save all of that for another video because it's important to talk about, but I just don't think that's this video. So yeah, 2 years on, I'm back making videos, and I wanted to do this for a while. I just kind of was building up the courage to get back in front of camera and back doing the things that I used to enjoy doing that I lost the passion for, but starting to regain that passion for massively now. So yeah, this is a car content based channel. The current project is a BMW E36 318IS. Today's video is putting together some E36 hubs. If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for staying. Thanks for holding out the hope that I will return one day. And now I am back. He's back. He's back. Update on the brakes.
They're very rusty. What's it been, 2 years?
It's been 2 years.
It's been 2 years since we made the last video.
It's been 2 years since I've worked in the BMW.
Should you do a recap?
Recap, Richard!
Hey guys.
You all know Richard.
Hi guys!
So, car number 1. Yes! Wow! Here we are. The immiscible giant slugs. Holy crap! Look at the size of it!
See, this is what I think girls see when they get sent dick pics.
It is hideous. Oh, much grossness. Look at that.
Oh, she's being inseminated. She's just been, there's literally chicken sex happening. Find the wiring for that. Ah.
That should be a lead.
It should be about this long.
Yeah, okay.
But that's the joys of trying to build a car that has been sat in a forest for about 6 years. So good. See you next episode.
2,000 years later.
Rich and I are taking away the brakes. I've stripped down the front subframe, which is over there. We're keeping the hubs because we need to use those again, but we'll get new brakes and new front arms and various bits and bobs.
We're gonna build a race car.
Yeah, we're going to build a fast road car.
We'll
see how far we get.
yeah.
We've also got to take the hubs to Richard's place of work because we don't have a nut big enough.
Socket's big enough.
That's what I meant.
You don't have a socket big enough for the nut.
Yes.
Not here anyway.
No.
But that's okay, we can fix that.
It's rather large.
That's an easy fix.
We shall record that tomorrow. I'll bring this thing again, the camera.
What, your phone that you carry everywhere?
Yeah, I'm going to bring that. That's quite tight. Down.
Nearly hit me in the face. It moved! I'm going to take these two.
Instead of these being cleaned up and trying to be used again because they are old and crap. For £44 British sterling, I can get brand new ones. So that's what I'm going to do. Just going to order 4 of these, because then it makes it nice and easy, doesn't it, Richard?
Certainly does.
4 of them.
Success.
Success. Thanks. And then we're also going to powder coat these bad boys so they're all nice and new and clean again. And the front the front subframe is now done, so we can
Start building that up.
put that back together. Bye bye for now.
Goodbye, everybody.
And now for something completely different.
Well, welcome back to another episode of The Real Pets. Today we are down in Texas. In fact, you've got the most redneck hair out of all of us.
And I'm fucking rocking this.
Yeah. You would be stoned if we went to... Where was that place that Top Gear went?
They've been to a lot of places.
America. Today, we're going to be rebuilding my hubs because they have come back from the powder quarters.
Ooh, he's left a
Ooh, a little bung in there. Ooh, that's nice. Yeah, that might be another one in there. Oh, there is! Ooh, look at that. Take the bung out.
No, that one doesn't come out.
No? You sure?
Yeah,
Oh, he's really done that one in there, isn't
No, I think that's part of it.
No.
That is part of it. Look, this one's got it as well.
he? Oh, yeah. Okay.
Oh,
Anyway.
God, yeah, I remember.
Excuse me. Making professional video here. Have it back. Oh, and I've got new bits as well. So I ordered brand new shiny bits. Cool. Because even though the other ones are probably usable, I feel like
It would have been a lot of faff to put new bearings in them.
yeah. So I've got brand new ones, and they are. Put that up to the microphone. Oh, that's the plan today. Going to rebuild those, attach them to the suspensions, and then attempt to put that all near the subframe, and then pop that back up. Anyway, we've waffled on long enough. Let's cut to some filming footage of us putting these back together. First little job actually is these little splines here have got quite a lot of shaft. They've got quite a lot of excess powder coating on them, which is annoying.
Actually, it's where the sandblaster has blasted beforehand, and he's just not masked it up like we asked him to. So quite frustrating, really, because that's a machined finish.
Yeah.
So we just need to take the rough out of it so that the bearings slip on nice and easily again.
Fine.
But same with where the seal runs there.
Yeah.
But we can do that.
Fine.
We can polish that up again.
We're going to do that now. Cue the time lapse. So we're just trying to test fit these new hubs, but I think we do need a press to get them on because, as Richard said, they're a tolerance fit. Which, for the viewers, describe what that is.
It's where it's more of an interference. So the two are designed to go together as almost a press fit. It shouldn't be a hard press fit, but they need to be tight enough between the two that they're not going to be able to rattle around at all.
Gotcha.
Even though they've got a locating nut to hold them tight, they need to have that tightness.
Like a tiger!
Tight like a tiger.
Okay, well we don't have a press, so...
We'll just have to transform into a different workshop. Right?
Yeah.
Because we're just gonna like...
You want to snap your fingers, do you, pal?
It was a good snap. It was a good finger snap.
Okay, well, do it again. Whoa! We're a Warm Classic Engineering!
We've changed workshop.
Now at Warm Classic Engineering, because they have a press, we're going to press in the hubs, and then at some point after they're done, we'll go back to the unit and start fitting them along with other things to the subframe. Good work, Mr. Ward. That dropped.
that one's just gone straight in.
I wasn't even filming.
Yeah, that's-
God, that was so quick. That was really easy.
That one just kind of fell in. So that one's obviously not quite as. Oh yeah, there you go. So that one's not quite as good a fit. That could be down to where he just tickled it with the sandblaster. But that, I mean, that's a very, very nice fit.
Yeah.
It's just not quite the tolerance fit that
The other
they
one
are
was.
from factory.
Yeah.
But
Would that be an issue? Because we've still got the locating, haven't we?
you've got the main fastening nut. I'm not happy with that completely.
Yeah.
Because obviously the difference between the two was, this one is
Solid.
on.
Yeah.
And that one's just quite.
It's very loose.
It's not, because there's no play in that at all. Absolutely no play in that at all. But it is just, it's a kind of a perfect machine fit as opposed to
A tolerance.
a tolerance press fit. For what if you were going to use it as a race car consistently, I'd probably be more concerned.
Yeah.
But I'm not concerned about that for now.
Cool. All right, DJ. So back at the washroom, we are now with the bolt, with the hubs, with the big ass mother socket.
Socket.
It's over there, big ass mother socket.
46.
And we're gonna, 46 mil. It's huge, isn't it?
It's not massive, but it's a big boy.
Wow. 46 mil is pretty big, to be fair. I've seen bigger. So we're gonna talk these up, and then make a plan for.
Very sturdy knives.
Yeah. Richard keeps reminding me to tell him to remind him to bring bolts here so we can
But
bolt the vibes down.
because at the moment it's not bolted down.
Sturdy. So we're going to use our combined strength of gym and mechanic strength to talk these up. Oh, it wasn't that bad.
It wasn't too bad,
Oh, that was way better.
Hang on. Nice.
Easy work. So I was actually going to put all of the hubs back on the subframe and stuff, but actually, thinking about it, we've got to be able to move the car out first, so then we can put all the stuff on subframe, because it needs all the old suspension being put back on, which I've cleaned up and stuff. So actually for today, we're going to be just stripping the wheel hubs, put them back together, which is what we've done. So we're going to leave it there. Thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned for the next video, which will be, I've actually edited it already.
Oh,
By
really?
the time you're watching this, it's already edited. And it's very good.
That's kind of mad.
Which is something to do with the front of the car and its power plant. So that's very exciting. So yeah, stay tuned for the next video.
We're going to do a video of pulling it out.
Yeah.
We're going to record that.
Yeah.
Because it's been in hibernation.
It has been 2 years. Hibernation for 2 years. So yeah, all of that's going to be filmed over the next, I'd like to think, the next couple of weeks. So yeah, stay tuned for many things. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe. And we shall see you in the next video.
See you next time.
Goodbye everybody. Goodbye everybody.